What's up, guys? So this time on the show, I just wanted to do something a little different. I had a couple requests from some viewers a while back that wanted me to do a drive video, and you know, it hit me when they asked that because I did like an exhaust clip, and it hit me that I never did a drive video after I built my motor. And so basically this is just going to be a drive video to kind of give you guys some insights on how this truck runs. It's got the Texas Speed Chopacabra cam in it, and yeah, so I'm going to cut out, and I've got a camera in the back so you can kind of hear what's going on out back, and I've also got this one, of course, in the cab, so you can hear kind of the sound difference between what goes on inside the cab versus, you know, what's going on outside the cab, and it's quite a bit different. But anyway, stick around and we'll drive this thing down the road and just kind of give you the daily driver, you know, experience on the Chopacabra cam. But this camshaft in this truck is, I'm extremely happy with it. It's real easy to drive every day. It's, you know, a lot of guys say, you know, don't run this cam on the street or whatever. It doesn't have good manners or whatever, you know. But this cam does fine going down the street. You know, I drive this truck every day, and it's great. I love it. It's definitely got more power now, and yeah, it's a lot better. I lost a little bit of power down low, but I picked it up on the top end because I kind of moved it from the bottom to the top as far as the power curve goes on it. But I'm naturally aspirated right now, and one day I'm going to put a turbo on here. But I'm going to keep this cam. I really do like this cam, and I like the way that it runs. I like the way the truck runs with this cam, and it's fine. It's not very pushy at all. I mean, it does a little bit when you're idling at a red light. Like right now, I'm on a stop sign waiting to get on the road, but it's nothing. I mean, the brakes hold it just fine. It doesn't try to drive through the brakes real bad or anything. And yeah, I'm extremely happy with the cam and how the motor turned out, just in general. The exhaust I've got on here, it's a Gibson Performance exhaust. It's 3-inch exhaust. It's a MWA muffler. I think it's the BM0110. It's a 3-inch in, 3-inch out exhaust, and it's really the best of both worlds. It's quiet inside the cab. I can hear the radio. I can talk to you, no problem in here. Just driving around normally, it's pretty quiet. I mean, it makes a little bit of noise, but it's not real obnoxious or anything. When I get on it, you know, then it wakes up and it gets loud, and this thing, it'll scream when it gets wide open. It really does make some noise, and it goes, and that's what I wanted. I wanted it to be a little bit of both, you know. So I'm really happy with how it came out. But yeah, we'll just drive down the road here and let you listen to it a little bit. wanted to say I'm sorry. The inside of my truck, I've got all the trim out of it and everything still. I'm waiting to get my my interior redone on it, and so that's a project. You know, just got a lot of projects lined up right now, and one day I'm going to get it put back together and everything. But basically, it's just seats, and I got seats in here and some floor mats and some sound deadening, and that's it. I mean, I got the dash out and everything because I had the chipmunk problem where they got in and started chewing up everything in my truck, basically. So if you guys have been following along, I'm in the middle of redoing everything in my interior because of the rodent problem that I had. And yeah, I got them stopped coming in here now. I got them blocked out. They can't get in here anymore. And so now I'm just trying to redo everything. Yeah, the truck drives great, and it's just like driving a regular truck. I mean, people say, oh, carburetors, and yeah, I like carburetors, but when it gets cold out, I love fuel injection too, because I can hop in this thing, turn the key, put it in gear, and I'm gone. I don't have to pump the gas, try to warm it up, you know, do all that kind of stuff. You know, that gets old after a while. And so I really like the fuel injection on these trucks. And I just like the engine itself. It's really easy to work on. And, you know, it's simple. There's not a whole lot to it. But yeah, I'll get on it here in a little bit and let you hear it. I'll rip it a little bit so you can kind of hear it wind out a little bit. And but yeah, that's basically it. Like I said, I drive this truck all the time, and that was one of the reasons I built it the way I did. I built the truck for boost, and I studded it. It's got head studs in it and everything, and I poured it and polished the heads. And I set my ring gap. I opened up my ring gap, and basically set it up for a turbocharger. But as it is naturally aspirated, it's great. But I did a lot of research on the camshaft that's in this truck. I wanted to do a lot of research because I wanted a good cam that was going to be a good, smooth performing cam. Something that was a daily driver cam. Something that was not like race only or track only, because I think those cams can be, you know, not real good on the street. So I checked this one out, and I also checked the Brian Tooley Racing, the Truck Norris cam, and I found that the Chopacabra cam and the Truck Norris cam, they run out pretty much the same on the graphs on the dyno. And so I just picked this cam over the other one. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for following along on my videos and subscribing and all that stuff, and just kind of keeping up with what's going on. I really appreciate it. And yeah, stick around. We'll try to get parts back for that Muncie 4-speed and try to get it put back together, and we'll see what else we get into. So we'll see y'all next time.